What up, guys? I'm gonna do this quick little video. I've seen a lot of these videos I'm about to tell you. They don't tell you that it controls something else. They just tell you that it controls the blinkers and the flasher. Okay, turn the truck off. All right, since I've owned this truck, I haven't had blinkers or flashers or brakes. All I've had was running lights. Headlights. That's all I had. Okay. Well, every video I've seen that you need to replace the flasher for the blinkers and the flashers. Okay. Well, I had no idea that the brakes are connected to this right here too. So I went and bought me a brake light switch. It goes on the back of your pedal and everything. I haven't even replaced that thing. But that one ended up being broke anyway from the junkyard. And so I'm like, well, if the brakes ain't working and still don't have the flashers and the blinkers, so I'm going to have to replace this. Well, lo and behold, AutoZone don't sell these. They sell them, but they don't sell the right one. You see that little pin right there? That's the extra little pin that you've got to have. You can either get it at a dealership or go to a junkyard, and I bought 2 of them just in case. And so I come home, change out the flasher, bam. I got blinkers, I got flashers, and guess what? I got freaking brakes. So if you're having the same trouble as me, where your blinkers don't work, flasher don't work, and your brakes don't work, more likely it's going to be that flasher relay. So I'm just here to let you know that. Because in the other videos that I've seen, they don't tell you that it'll affect your brakes too once that goes completely out. Because I had no idea. And so once I replaced that, it fixed my brakes, brake lights, it fixed my blinkers and my flashers. Hear it clicking? Alright, down here, let's see if I can get it without messing up the camera view. I probably can't see it. But anyway, it's like, if you can see a little yellow relay, that's where it's located. It's right there in front of the brake pedal. And it's like 5-minute change. Bam, you're in and out. I'm gonna do my best to put more videos out like I've been doing. It's just I've been recently diagnosed with situational anxiety, and so I've been on medication and stuff to help deal with it. So I'm gonna do my best to keep videos coming on my good days. And so today I'm having a pretty decent day. But guys, don't forget about the giveaway at the end of the year. If I hit 500 subscribers, I gotta hit 500 subscribers first. If I don't, then I'll just prolong it until I hit 500 subscribers. And then I'll do a giveaway of something dealing with audio. It could be a radio, it could be speakers, it could be anything. So just keep an eye on that. And when I get closer to 500 subscribers, I will tell y'all how to enter. Alright guys, y'all be safe with everything going on in the world. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So that way you get notified when I upload new videos. Peace out guys, God bless.